Hi everyone, I'm Saiza. Welcome to another episode of Babae Sino Ka, the podcast. If it's your first time here, this podcast is about women empowerment. I would like to share the stories of strong, powerful women in the arts, and because their stories are so powerful that you have to hear it. And for today's episode, I'd like to introduce my friend Van.
Hi everyone!
Yes, new face. Okay, so if you don't know, if you've seen the Baising Ha video that we recently released this year, she is one of the artists that I have featured. So I want you to get to know her more and why she is part of the project. Actually, one is because of her advocacies. She advocates for body positivity, and of course, one topic that most of us are kind of like, alam mo yung parang nasa-shy to talk about because ano tayo, talaga Pilipina. But it's something that's so powerful that I really wanna learn more about, 'di ba? Yung our inner
Yes.
the feisty of our inner goddess, our inner Exena. So yeah. But first, I wanna ask from you, of course. Let's start with the kink community first. Um, would you I would like to learn about it. Would you like to share a brief history of it? Like how you started being part of this community and yeah.
So yeah, everyone, I'm Lady Vanessa de la Blanca. Um, um, I am a kink practitioner and shibari enthusiast. So I'll speak for my own experiences na lang kasi I'm actually still very young in the community actually kasi the community goes way back like around 2000s meron na actually. So, I just got into it this after the pandemic started. So, I nung teens pa lang ako, okay, that's when I first learned about kink and BDSM. Ooh, yes.
Usually, pag
So,
yun yung narinig mo, parang, ay, parang medyo merong ganun na parang tingin na pa, kind of like you don't wanna touch it or pagtingin sa'yo, di ba? Merong mga judgment agad, right? If you don't
yeah.
have the knowledge of it.
Yeah, but ayun nga, there's a lot that people don't know about it, so I'd like to share that. And why I'm so passionate about it. Passionate.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so I started nung 2022, nung pandemic, kasi yun yung time na nasa bahay lang tayo, wala tayong community.
Yeah.
So, naging
You were
online
able
lahat.
to explore
Yes.
yourself more.
So I was listening to this sex positive podcast, and then I heard about that they have a Discord community. And then doon sa Discord community na yun, so meron kami mga weekly hangouts na yun. So
Online
Oo,
hangouts
yung mga
lahat
online
eh.
hangouts. And then doon kasi sa Discord may mga may mga subtopics.
Yeah.
So, meron doon na na subtopic about BDSM. And then, when I got into it, like, para na akong si Alice in Wonderland.
Na-curious ka like,
na nag-dive sa rabbit hole.
Yeah.
So, like, nagtingin-tingin ako, nag-backread ako doon sa mga pinag-uusapan nila. And then, that's when I learned na meron palang community
Yeah.
in the Philippines.
Yes.
So ako, na ilang taon na ako noong 2020, like, when 1987.
Math tayo, mag-math tayo doon.
So, I think around 24? 25?
Early
mga ganon.
20s. Yeah.
So,
Yan talaga yung mga explorative age. You wanna try something, learn something. Okay.
So 10 years prior nung 25 ako, 15 years old, I was reading the 50 Shades
Ooh.
Grey na libro.
Sometimes na nagsa-start talaga, di ba?
Yeah, kasi mahilig ako magbasa ng
Yeah.
mga romance novels. It's my escape from reality.
Yeah.
Nung nung nasa high school ako, when I was bullied and all that, kasi I was a big girl already back then. So, reading was my source of escape. So, ayun, dahil nangangarap tayo, ibig.
Yes, that's very detailed dun,
Yeah,
no?
so
Like,
very, oh my God.
the imagery. Siguro,
Yeah.
ano kayang na-imagine mo dun, no? Pag, oof.
So, ayun na 50 Shades of Grey.
Uh-huh.
I got to read that, and then, ayun, nirelease nila yung mga movies and all that, and then, fast forward to 2022, when the restrictions about gatherings have loosened, so may mga nag-coffee meetups.
Yeah.
So, ayun, dun ko nalaman na merong face-to-face
Yeah.
na community na nag-gather
Yeah.
na part ng BDSM community. Di ba? So, nag-research ako. Talagang research ako kasi mahirap na punta ka lang ng punta na
Yeah.
hindi mo alam yung pinapasukan.
That's true.
So, I researched about it online and read about as a newbie, as someone who doesn't know anything about kink and BDSM, paano yung ethics,
Yeah.
like rules and regulations of when you
Come into the
Yes,
space.
into the space. Like how we do in Ballroom community, where you learn about
Yeah.
the
We learn the history first.
Yes, exactly. But in the kink space and BDSM community naman, you don't need to to know the full history of it kasi aabutin tayo ng siyam-siyam
10
kasi
years.
BDSM has long existed
Yeah,
way back.
Yeah.
Like medieval ages, mga ngayon, Renaissance era, gano'n. So, mahirap intindihin lahat.
Yeah.
So, ang importante is to learn the rules. So, basa ako. So, gatherings, ang tawag nila doon, yung mga social gatherings is neutral spaces. Wherein you come in dress normally, like how you would if you enter a coffee shop or
Come as you are.
MSUR, yes. So, ayun, coffee shop. So, you network. So, ang tawag nila doon ay munch. So, munch. Kasi, kasi, like, kapag ka nagchichikahan ka, dapat merong kinakain ng ngata. So, naging munch. So, munch.
That's cute.
So, ayun, kwentuhan lang and all that. When I got there, talagang, kasi, nabuwork ako Monday to Saturday pa. Yung mga shift ko, talagang nag-leave ako mother para mapuntahan ito. So, ano ba to?
The curiosity, no? Parang, wait.
So, like, nung magdating ko doon,
Let me dive in. Go.
paano ko malalaman kung sino sila dito? So, coffee shop kasi like, tari lang, table, para, sino dito? And then, para, alam ko na, para, wait, parang sila yun. Parang feeling ko,
There's that instinct, there's that feeling. And parang ito yung energy.
So, ayun,
Okay.
doon ka na-meet, and then,
Paano mo in-approach
so like,
the group?
hi, is this, the much? Is this the much? And then,
Work.
and the community was very welcome. It didn't feel weird. Like, very normal conversation, like,
Yeah.
how are you? But the only thing siguro na hindi common would be you won't be introducing your real name and your personal
There's that
details.
privacy. Okay. Yeah.
Because ayun nga, as
Yeah.
mentioned earlier, mother mo,
There
it is
rules.
very taboo,
Yeah.
and not everyone can accept it.
Yeah.
So, pagka na-out ka na into this ka, it could damage your living. So, we have to be respectful na, hi, you may address me as this name. So, ayun, don't ask personal questions. Be here to ask questions about kink, not their personal lives. And also, don't be, don't be pushy. So, if may nakikam pogi or guwapo, ganun na ba? Like, no, be respectful.
Yeah.
Ayun, kasi sa community namin, mother, we really value and take priority yung consent.
Yeah.
So, every time you go somewhere na in a kink space, my consent is your parang passport.
Yeah.
Like, if you're someone na walang pakialam sa ibang tao and you just want to, ay, hahap naman ito, like,
Yeah.
kiss ka dito, you're
Yeah.
gonna get that chop.
Yeah.
So, ganun sa akin.
Yeah.
So, that's how I met the community.
Mm-hmm.
And then, it grew from there.
Mm-hmm.
So ayun nga, I met this lovely couple.
Mm-hmm.
They're very, like, yung mga tao dun sa Munch na yun, they're just people.
Yeah.
Nothing,
Yeah.
nothing extraordinary about them. They're just anyone.
Yeah.
They could be anyone. And then we were conversing about, so how did you get into this thing?
Yeah.
So like, ayun, nanood ako ng cartoons. Tinatali kasi yung nasa cartoon. So,
Uh-huh.
interested ako magtali ng tao.
So everything is out of curiosity.
Yeah.
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 Ayun. Ano ba yun? And yun, dahil they were lovely, they were very, very kind, and they invited me to hang out again.
Mm-hmm.
And there was a show and tell.
Mm-hmm.
So, actually, yun, bakasyon, Holy Week. Holy Week, mother, no?
Holy.
Invite nila ako kasi,
Let's get holy here.
so yun na, Holy Week yun, mami, or
Uh-huh.
show and tell.
Yeah.
So, punta ko dun sa place nila.
What is a show and tell?
So,
What happens there?
ito na nga, mami.
Ano yung issue-show at ite-tell?
So, pagdating namin doon, they opened up this big suitcase, like, makilaking suitcase na yun.
Uh-huh.
Tapos, binuklat namin gano'n. I'm like, oh my God, what is this? Parang
Kumikintab ba sa yung mga paningin?
kumikintab yung iba, pero yung iba like, ano to? Pero I'm scared. So, like, there
So
were,
mixed yung ano.
yeah, there were
Yeah.
all kinds of stuff there.
Yeah.
So, there's dildos.
Mhm.
Pwede ba itong i-mention sa
Okay lang.
Okay, so there's those stuff. There's toys, yung mga stimulating toys na vibrating toys.
Uh-huh.
Yun yung kadalasan nakita natin sa sex shop.
Yeah.
Pero ang talagang naging interesting for me, hindi yon. Like, ang boring nun eh. Yung nakita ko, talagang like, tumatak sa akin, like, oh shit. Yung mga leather stuff. So like, there's whips, canes, floggers. So, pang
Yeah.
pang impact play kung tawagin nila. So, pamalo.
Yeah.
Mga paddles. Mga, tapos, may iba-iba siyang may iba-iba ba siya? Like, kasi kung paddle, isipin mo lang, pamalo, maganon. Pero, may iba-ibang,
May variation?
may variation pa siya.
Yeah.
Merong rubber, merong tela, merong gawa sa, sa crochet. Merong gawa sa...
Iba-ibang texture.
Yes.
Okay, work.
Like,
Ooh.
parang Cynthia Aribong.
Na ano ka, doon ka na-attract sa mga pamalo.
Kasi,
Yeah.
hindi.
Yeah.
Ano to? So, ako, ang dami kong tanong. Like,
Yeah.
ano to? Ano to? Try mo.
Oh my gosh, shit. Ganun siya, no? Try mo na lang. Go.
Oo nga naman. Sa isip ko, natakot ako at first. Pero like,
Yeah.
parang, sino? Try mo. Mukhang namang safe ako dito at mababait kami ng mga kasama ko. And, ayun nga, yun yung unang-unang kailangan ma-establish dahil consent na is very vital and important in this community. So, you have the right to say no
Yeah.
to anything that you find uncomfortable. And if the person still insists na, hindi, kaya mo yan, ganyan, but you already said no, that's not acceptable anymore. That's called coercion. So, ayun. So, the people I was with were, respectful of my choices. So, when I say, I won't try that, that's too much for me. So, okay. What do you want to try? Parang ito. So, parang ako
It's like picking a
nagbo-buffet.
candy. Oo, parang,
Nagbo-buffet. I feel like,
yeah. Okay.
I'm like, ang nakong na-try I think was the impact play. The vloggers, yung letters
Mm.
kasi yun yung
Kumina agad.
yun yung pinaka ano, parang like very striking kapag
Yeah.
nakita mo like, oh,
Yeah.
scary.
Nag-hi sa'yo agad.
Oo, like,
I'm here.
later on,
Try me.
find out yun pala ang aking magiging favorite.
Word. Nice.
So, nung trinay ko, this, I've tried it with, she's a powerful dominant
Mm-hmm.
and she's like, oh, how do you want to try this? And then she asked me questions. We negotiated kung ano, kung hanggang saan namin kaya ko. So how do you want to try this? Tell me if it's too much for you. Hindi na. And if you want it to stop, say red. So we have the stoplight system. So if you
50
want,
Shades nga.
Yes.
It's very that.
very safe word. So there's yellow, green, and red. So yellow for slow down. Green for yes, give me some
Let's
more.
go.
And red for stop. Okay. So ayun. So dahil I felt safe with this person and I felt like I could try new things without being forced or being pushed too much into the zone that I'm uncomfortable with. I felt ready.
Yeah.
So like, sige po. Sige po, try po. So yun na lang, like, ready I will come. Yeah.
What was the initial feeling or reaction? Was like,
Gulat talaga.
just imagine ko. Wait.
Yeah. Nagulat.
Okay.
Gulat at first talaga. Kasi nakatalikod ako. Pero like, it wasn't that painful at all. Ano lang, parang nagkano lang ng mosquito.
Okay.
So like, sige nga isa pa.
Okay.
So like, yung kabilang puwet naman. Para daw pantay. Kasi nga naman, laki ng puwet ko. So, kaya na, like, and then, sabi ko, okay, now I'm starting to get why these people like it. So like, okay, and it's not that weird at all to like it. Like,
Yeah.
cause it feels, it feels like, an intense tickling session.
Okay.
But it's not to make you laugh. But, tawag dito. Wait, parang mali. Scratch that. Okay. Yung part na yun, parang, cause yung pain, cause it could be pleasure. There's a fine line between pain and pleasure.
Yeah.
So, andun ako dun sa gitna na yun.
Gumaganong-ganon.
Gumagano yun.
My meter.
Yeah. So, and, kapag ka nagtuloy-tuloy yung pag-hit sa'yo, you come to a point that you reach subspace. So, subspace is it's like you're being put in a trance, right? Your adrenaline is so high kasi you get excited from it kasi
Yeah.
you're being stimulated with something people will,
Foreign.
foreign, so your nervous
New,
system would react to it. But ayun nga, when you reach that subspace, you no longer feel the pain. Parang, oh my God, I feel so relaxed.
Gets. Yeah.
Parang like, how,
Nagiging calm yung ano.
like, a good massage session.
Yeah, gets. Yeah.
So like, kapag kayong sobrang din mag-massage, and then later, yung mga, dito, malapit na doon sa patapos, ay, nakatulog ako, hindi
Yeah.
pa na masakit.
Yeah.
So, ganun siya, yung impact play for me. So, yeah, that's how my
You
first
started.
experience
Yeah.
was.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Tapos yun. Tapos dumira-diretso na siya after that.
So, from then, nagkaroon na ng mga hangouts.
Yeah. Consistent na briefing.
Like, siguro mga every once a month, merong munch.
Yeah.
May mga gatherings ulit, networking, chikahan. And then, merong mga hangouts sometimes. So, tas doon ako nagtatry ng mga iba-iba.
Yeah.
Nag-e-evolve na yung mga nagugustuhan ko.
Yeah.
Tapos, sabi ko, oh my God, it's been a year and I've learned so much. And I grow so much because when I didn't know about K,
Mm.
very ano pa ako, very, papito, walang pakailangan masyado.
Yeah.
Like, kung ano lang yung gusto ko.
Mm.
But because I've learned the importance of consent, the
Yeah.
importance of boundaries and limits, and being able to voice out your own tagito, yung mga,
Pain or pleasure.
yes,
Yeah.
and yung tagito, enforcing your autonomy
Mm.
na hanggang dito lang to kaya ko.
Mm.
Kapag lumagpas ka dito, it's disrespectful to me.
Yeah.
So, if you disrespect me, I won't continue being with you.
Yeah.
So, yun yung natutunan moving forward. And it's not only applied in King.
Yeah.
I learned also to apply that principle in all aspects of my.
Definitely.
So, kapag kayong workmate mo, bigay lang, kuy, patulong dito. Babe, hindi
Boundaries.
That's not my job, girl.
Yeah, and I feel like one thing, like for me personally from this conversation, the takeaway is, kasi, 'di ba, usually when we talk about like pleasure, how we pleasure ourselves or how we put ourselves in that space, women can tend to be like, alam mo yon, na parang you don't know what you want. Feeling ng mga tao, we don't know what we want, but the truth is we know, which is pleasurable for us, and kung ano yung hindi, and kung ano yung mga willing natin i-try. Pero importante is yun nga, there is like conversation na parang, okay, consent, and being very respectful. And I think dun rin napupunta yung minsan, hindi nakikita na parang nagkakaroon ng abuse if it's beyond that na. If it's beyond what you want, or minsan nasa silence ka na parang, wala ka rin nagagawa. Which is, I feel like, being in that space, being in that community, like parang, it empowers you to say no.
Yes.
It empowers you to speak for yourself. It empowers you to like really, share the knowledge as well, na parang, girl, I have boundaries, respect me, respect what I do, respect my space, and,
Very
yeah, diba?
So, ayun, mother, like, speaking from experience, so, nung talagang bago-bago ka ako, and very grateful to the people that welcome me, that really honor the boundaries.
Yeah.
But I've also met people who weren't respectful of boundaries. And it's really tough when you get stuck in those relationships or dynamics.
Yeah.
Kasi your body, your chemicals, the chemicals that happens when you're constantly in the presence of this abusive person.
Yeah.
You clouded talaga yung
Yeah.
judgment.
Yeah.
So you don't know how to separate yourself from it. So you think na ito lang yung ito yung relationship na nagbibigay sa akin ng feelings of love, kahit abuse na kalat.
Yeah. Kahit nababound ka na pala, na parang,
Yeah. So, talagang kailangan be cautious and talagang learn your limits and boundaries, and don't let people set aside those, because if they disrespect you, and then you forget yourself, you lose yourself if you agree with it.
yeah.
So, ayun talaga yung masasabi ko na sana na huwag yun ang ma-experience.
Yeah.
Kasi it's tough.
Yeah. Yeah. Gosh, kaya guys, boundaries talaga. And like have the power to like say no and escape. a dynamic that doesn't work for you or it doesn't like feed you the energy that you need. Diba? Yun.
Knowledge talaga empowers you. So, read a lot, research if you want to dive into this world. There are a lot of benefits. There's a lot of fun and growth that you can experience out of it. But there's also dangers
Yeah.
and potential abuse if you fall into the wrong path. So, ayo, connect with people that are safe, and always have someone na safety person. You can assign a safety person na lang. So, if you're going to meet someone, uy, friend, dito ako, may unique ako.
Parang meron kang accountability partner.
Yes, exactly.
Ganyan. Yeah.
Be safe out there.
Yeah.
Practice safely.
Yeah. Explore, but
Explore,
be
but be
mindful. Be
Be
safe. Yeah, work. Ano ba siya? Connected rin ba ito dun sa shibari artistry mo naman?
Yes, definitely.
Amen. So, how did, like, from the leather hampas-hampas, paano siya napunta sa tali?
So, yun na mother, gulang din mo ako pa. Because, nung when I got into it, like, yun lang talaga yung na-enjoy ko, yung impact.
Aha.
And then, ayun, there was a party na King theme. Then, ayun nga, the King community went to that party and then nasama ang matons. Tapos, na-bored lang kami kasi sayo-sayo lang yung ginagawa ng mga ibang tao. No actual kinky stuff was happening. Andun na kami sa sulok. Tapos yung friend ko, sabi, you wanna try being tight? Sabi, okay, bored ako.
What do you mean? What do you mean by being tight? Charot. What kind of tying?
So like ako kasi very open-minded ako, mate.
Explorative ka.
Explorative,
Yeah.
like very risk paper.
Yeah, we're.
So like, okay, sige, go try. And ayun nga, kasi
Ito na po.
opo, ito na po. Daling kausap ka ng carrot.
Okay.
Ngayon, so like, actually, wala siyang dalang tali. Ang dala niya lang handkerchief. Like, ako totally dyan.
Hindi pala yun. Okay.
Panyo. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, okay naman kaya yan. Tali, anything, it can be a rope. Tas, so ayun, nag-accept kami of hanggang saan lang yung, kung ano yung pwede, kung ano pwede i-touch,
Yeah.
all that, si Mike. Pero ako kasi, hindi ko siya masyadong ala. So ako, sabi ko, hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung hindi ko gusto.
Yeah.
Hindi ko rin alam kung hanggang saan yung kaya ko. I will trust you that you will honor me when I say something that is uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So, ganun yung naging usapan namin. I will say stop if I don't like it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or if I felt claustrophobic or something like that. Pero, because he's a safe person, he's a really kind person. I can attest to that. So, ayun, tinali niya ako with the handkerchief. Hindi niya ako tinali na bastang tinali lang yung wrist ko together. Ginalaw-galaw niya sa katawan ko yung panyo. Like, ano tubig? Parang,
May ritual. Ganun.
parang, santo ninyo ba to?
So at first it was like, what's happening? May ganun feeling. May
move yung,
what are you doing?
yung
Pinapa-feel niya sa'yo yung handkerchief. Para
very
ma-feel mo.
sensual.
Yeah.
Uy, parang naranak
Para i-heighten mo na yung senses po.
Yes, gano'n. Binibuild yung anticipation. And then ayun, like, parang a few minutes, tapos, wait, yun na yun? Yun na yun? Like, akala ko itatali yun to, di ba? But like, iba yung expectations po. Like, iba pala. Like, hindi lang siya yung gano'n na itali lang yung wrist mo yun. Meron siyang movement and connection. So, after no, sabi ko, my mind is blown. What is that? What the fuck? Dito to me.
Parang, more. Ganun ba?
Kailan na more?
I want more. Okay,
So,
okay. So, doon na pumasok
nag-start.
yung ano.
Doon na nag-start na, oh my God,
Dahil
this
sa
is something
panyo.
else. This is something else. So,
Dahil sa panyo.
so nag-host kasi sila ng na workshops and rope jam. So, andun na yun, sige, go tayo kay natin rope jam. Yan, nag-try naman tali. Hanggang sa weekly na ako nandun at natatali. Hanggang sa 3 taon na tayong nagtatali. So, ganyan siya. Nakaka-addict siya.
Nice. Ano talaga, no, kapag na-draw ka na sa na-draw ka na sa specific movement or so specific feeling that you
Yes.
feel like it's for you. Dun,
very much
babalik-balik
like
ka.
that.
Yeah. Babalik-balik ka talaga. And eventually, you'll build the skill. And then, ikaw na ang nagtatali.
Yes.
Siya na yung nagtatali ngayon.
Oh my God. Like, parang, this year, actually, mother, I experienced tying na yung talagang isasabit na buong
yeah.
katawan lumipad, ganyan. Which is called suspension. So, I suspended purse hole na mas my God, it was an amazing experience. Like, but ayun nga, very scary because it's a person, and if matanggal siyang ganyan bigla.
Yeah, true.
Oh my God.
Kasi
Very
syempre may
dangerous.
anatomy din dyan, no? Kung saan banda mo
Yes.
ikakabit,
Kung
saan
saan
ba
mo
walang
siya.
makaka-damage. Diba?
So there is so what you need to learn if you want to go into shibari is you have to know the risks. Kasi para siyang martial arts din. So like halimbawa sa jiu-jitsu na kailangan kapag yung mga chokehold, mga demon na dapat may tap out, parang safe word,
Yeah.
tap out, and yung pagka makonstrict yung breathing, delikado.
Yeah.
So
So, alam
With-
dapat kung saan yung passageway. Tapos kung saan yung
mga
mga
dapat,
veins, mga hindi pwedeng tamaan.
yung hindi dapat masyado
Tight.
tight.
Yeah.
So there's nerve damage, may mga blood,
Vessels.
mga blood vessels kapag naiipit.
Yeah.
So, yun yung mga dangers. And also, very much ang top one na danger with shibari is falling from heights. So, So, don't do this at home.
Yeah.
Don't do this without training.
Yeah.
And ako, it took me a long time before I got to my first suspension. That's you really have to learn the technicalities. And ayun, practice safely, learn to communicate with your partners na hindi lang picture ang uunahin. Kailangan safety
Safety.
ng partner.
Yes. Yeah. Kasi rin siya, hindi rin siya basta-basta. It's an art form, yes. It's
Yes.
beautiful. And now, kasi we see it kind of na siya you see it almost anywhere. Sometimes. It's starting to like,
To be known more.
yeah,
by people.
yun, sumisikat na siya. So, hindi lang po siya for the photos. Kailangan you really know what you're getting into. And yun nga, like you said, respect and trust is important.
Kasi tao po yung tinatali.
Yes.
Hindi po siya object lang.
Yeah.
Tao po na may feelings.
Yes.
Sa doon natin.
Iba-ibang sensations.
Yes.
Ganun nga. Ayun, yun na. Ikaw ba, na-experience mo lang ma-suspend? Suspend, tama ba? Suspension?
Suspension, yes. Masuspend sa school. Several times.
Charis.
Yes, I have. I'm big-bodied mother. So, isasabit yung malaki na katulad po. And then, I thought at first na hindi kaya. Baka masira yung bamboo or yung tali, masira. Nakalipad ako. Like, oh my gosh. I'm
Right
flying.
technique talaga, no?
I'm flying.
Yeah.
Tas, it is painful kasi syempre, your own weight is pressing, so it
Yeah.
is painful. But because you're lifted up like that, I feel I'm floating. Nakaka-relax. Ayun. And also because you're in the presence of someone na
You trust.
you trust. So, it feels more special. And ayun, you get to connect in a language na hindi lang words, because when you move together and you touch each other, it feels like you're speaking, but not with words, but either how you touch. Kasi nung nagte-training kami, like one simple touch here or one simple touch na hindi walang pressure it's already a word
Yeah, get.
na limbawa your partner is pressing their hands on your on your arms when you're both tying. So it could mean something.
Mm.
Tawag dito. It could mean na ayoko or it could mean na more. So ganun, depende kung
Yeah, sa
kung
push and pull.
lalapin niya
Yeah.
or gano'n. So it means something. So yun yung language and yung connection of shibari.
Speaking with your skin
Yes.
and the movement, para rin siya improve.
Yeah.
No, yung feel mo,
Medyo.
communicating with your body language and like, ano lang talaga, let it go. Let it go. Flow. Ganyan. I love it. Kasi ano rin siya, parang, going into something that is like new or something na you never thought you'd be into just out of curiosity and now you dove into that. Ano rin siya. Parang the journey you had, no? Parang, wow.
Actually, beforehand, like, yun nga, nung pandemic times, nagkakaroon ako ng existential crisis. Ano bang gusto ko? Ano bang and I've always felt this feeling na I'm a creative person.
Mm-hmm.
But, ayun lang, I didn't know how or what medium should I
How to channel
How
it,
to
kung saan mo siya
channel it,
i-release.
dancer ba ako? Pero, hindi ako coordinate.
But I'm so happy you found your artistry, diba? Through bondage, through shibari.
Yes.
Na kasi it's something na very din eh. Well, lahat naman ng art form is like parang mahirap. Pero the fact that you are into it consistently, it's something. Nakakatuwa to see this side of you. And it's something. It's something.
So, yun yung mother. So, yun nga, yung love ko for shibari. So, I wanted to share it with other women like me. So, with my fellow shibari artist, si Rai. So, we are hosting the Naughty Girls.
Yeah.
Naughty Girls.
Yes. To all the naughty girls out there.
Yeah. Join us in our Naughty Girls Call Women Boot Jam. So we do it once a month, and we've had like a few runs where we had like themed events. Nung Halloween, Halloween costume where sky. Tas nung November we had the flower shibari and candle wax play special event. Kasi nga sabi ko, undas, maraming bulaklak,
Maraming
kandila.
Yung patas-pasta.
Undas po, undas
Yes.
living.
Work, you have it monthly pala. Where can they follow you? Which account? Or is it private ba? Or how?
Yung Instagram ko, mother na kami, ladyvan, ldy.van.dld. So, I have a broadcast channel there na Naughty Girls Club.
Okay.
So, yung may mga friends din ako there na magpo-post ng kanilang sariling events. So, if you want to see shibari events by my fellow empowered women, we have it in the Naughty Girls Club channel.
Work. So, do follow. Alam niyo na. Naughty Girls. Attack. If this is something that sparks curiosity in you, if it's something na parang tickles your mind, your heart, your body, na parang, why not? Kasi doon naman nasa-start lahat ng klase ng art form. Curiosity na parang, is it something that I want to try, I want to do? And then eventually, once you've tried it, you'd know. Diba? You'd know.
You know.
Diba? Ooh, I'm so happy. And it's something that's really empowering. Kasi nga, yun nga, learning, being able to say no to certain things, having that respectful communication or discord na para, okay, kasi these are my limits, respect that. And I see like, it's something that you can apply, like you mentioned, in your daily life. Not just in the community or in the art form, but in anything. Kasi alam mo naman, tayong mga dalagang Pilipina, minsan nahihiya tayo na mag-no. Parang yes lang tayo ng yes. Na hindi natin napapansin na parang na-drain na pala yung energy natin. Hindi na siya healthy. So, I feel like having the power to say no and like be true to the boundaries that you have as a woman, that would make you stronger. That would make you like parang, you can't. Ganyan. At saka syempre, if you have that na, people will see na parang, okay, she has that, I know, very weekend. Girl, I'm learning so much.
Yeah.
Something na parang, actually, invite mo ako, di ba, doon sa isang event. Like parang, ooh, girl.
Well, I'll be seeing you.
We'll see. Pero nagkita na tayo once, di ba?
Yeah,
This
yeah,
isang
we did.
event na parang, oh my
Yeah.
gosh, it's parang everything mga sabi ko, ooh, something. It's something that's tickling. But we'll see. Let's
We'll be
see.
hosting more of that next year, Mark.
Yeah, work. So guys, watch out. Follow Lady Van, not TLP, and she'll empower you. And yun rin naman yung reason kung ba't ko rin siya in-invite sa Babae Sino Ka video project this year. It's because it's something na parang I respect so much. How she carries herself, how she is with her art form. Di totoo. Kasi parang, girl, not everybody can like proudly showcase na parang this is who I am and I love all of me. I love how I am and ganun siya dapat kasi parang wala as in titingnan mo lang and like girl, that energy sasabog
The
siya.
body.
Yes, the body yadi, the
Pero,
mindset.
Alam mo ba, mother, like, yung sa body,
Yeah.
yung experience pa with body,
Yeah.
how dito? People think I'm confident. And yun yung, parang like they're all, wow, ang confident mo. Pero deep inside, I'm like, girl, kung alam,
Meron din ganon.
umiiyak ako every time na mag-walk ako ng, like,
Takes a lot of guts din, no?
yeah, like, ano kasi, mother, like, for me, confidence is not something you're born with, or something you just have.
Yeah.
It's a choice.
Yeah.
For me, it's a choice. It's a choice to not give a fuck on what other people think about you,
Yeah.
on what other people think about your body. Yun talaga yung, for me, confidence.
Yeah.
So, if
Ang
that's,
ganda nun. Di ba, ang ganda nun. Confidence as a choice. Yeah, you really have to show up for yourself. You have to choose yourself. You have to choose you.
Kasi, if you don't love yourself, how the hell
How the hell is anyone gonna love you? Totoo naman. Ay, uy, bet ko yun. Bet ko yun na confidence is your choice. Confidence really is your choice. It's not something that you're born with naturally. It's something that you hone sa sarili mo. It's something that you take time with. Kasi syempre, you have to know yourself. You have to be authentic with sa sarili mo. Parang, alam mo, kailangan mo na yung sarili mo. Parang,
Yes, mother.
undeniable.
Alam mo, mother, kasi every time you are shy, you doubt yourself, you missed out on a lot of chances waiting for you.
Yeah.
Kasi, karang sa interview, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang gusto nila sa interview, dapat confident. Alam mo yung mga qualities mo, yung mga skills mo, ganyan. Ay, may sasabihin mo siya kagad. Pero kapag shy-shy ka sa interview, matatanggap ka ba talaga? Anong alam nila if you're not going to speak yung mga talents mo, diba? Yung mga skills mo. So, hindi ka makakar. So, kailangan dapat you go into that interview, believe na they're going to choose you, kaya choose yourself. So,
Yes.
I'm getting hired today.
Yes.
This is me. This is my credentials.
Come in prepared.
Yes.
Come in ready.
Huwag kang mahiyak, girls.
Yeah. Buhatin mo yung bangko mo talaga.
Yes.
Dahil ikaw lang talaga.
Yes.
Diba? Naalala ko na naman yung si Special. Tara, like that feeling na being elevated. It's you. It's your choice. Work, Van. Oh my gosh. When that being said, oh my gosh. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for sharing your art form, your artistry, your passion, and your journey in this community na parang, something na parang, girl, out of curiosity. Yun siya talaga. Curiosity can really help you discover more about yourself, help you be more who you are. Ganon. So, parang guys, don't be shy to try things out. As in, like, if it sparks something, why not?
Yeah.
You won't lose anything.
And
diba?
you're actually
adds
just
more.
learning more about yourself. You're discovering yourself as you go.
Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Work. Thank you again for your time.
Thank you, Mother, for
Inspires.
inviting me.
Of course. And thank you for saying yes sa Babae Sino Ka. And I know,
Of course.
hopefully, I'm sure this would inspire women out there
Sana
who's-
naman.
who wants to try something and learn something on your sensuality, individuality, or your pain or pleasure, something, and like, yeah, just dive deep and like do it not for anyone, do it for yourself.
For yourself. Yes, very much.
Yes. Thank you. Don't forget also follow Lady Van's socials to watch out for those events. And of course, we'd like to thank the space. We are Shapeshifters.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and follow Babae Sino Ka. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you learned something. What are you choosing?
Choose
Pain,
yourself.
pain, pleasure, or self?
Oh.
Self.
Everything.
Pain and
Oh my
pleasure. Yes. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.
See you again soon.